Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. So today I'm going to share with you another staple that I feel like you'd have in your pantry. I want to share with you recipes you can make without going out to buy stuff, so you can use up what you have and just really enjoy that. And I feel like everyone, whether you're a professional chef, a novice, whatever, you have box cake mix in your pantry. At least I do. So today I'm going to show you how to take that box pantry mix and make it into a cookie. I'm going to show you a birthday cake cookie, funfetti cookie, whatever you call it. I'm going to show you how to make that out of box cake mix. It's delicious. It's easy. You can do it with your kiddos. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the recipe. Make sure you keep watching. Okay, so to make this, you're going to need some store-bought birthday cake mix. I think, actually, it's called funfetti. I just call it birthday cake, but whatever you call it, you're going to need that. You're going to need eggs, some vegetable oil, and then sprinkles of your choice. That is it. And I forgot to tell you before you get started, you're going to preheat your oven to 375. And now let's get started on the cookie. Okay, into my dry cake mix, it's right here. I'm going to start out with a whisk, but I might switch to a spatula later. You're just going to add in your eggs and your vegetable oil. And the reason we're not adding water and additional eggs to this is because you don't want it to be as runny as you make a cake or a cupcake. You want this to be pretty solid so that the cookie keeps its shape. You're just gonna mix this together until it's combined. Okay, the whisk lasted all of 30 seconds, so I just switched to a spatula, and all I did was kind of just fold everything in. But this is what you're looking for. See how it's not runny? It's pretty firm, like a cookie dough. So now we're going to scoop these onto our cookie sheets, and then I'm going to show you how to top them with our sprinkles. Okay, into my cookie sheet, I take my handy dandy little ice cream scoop, and I do this so that they're all kind of the same size and they bake evenly. I just put them on here and just squish it just a little bit down with your hand to make it a little bit flatter. You want them about 1 inch apart because they are going to flatten out a little bit. And to finish them off before you put them in the oven, whatever sprinkles you want, I just put a few on the top and just kind of squish them in with my finger so they don't roll anywhere. Just like so. This one's really hard to get out. There we go, just like so. So it looks just like that. Not too many, just a few. I'm going to continue to do these to the rest. Oh, I can't even speak today. Okay, my cookies are on my cookie sheet. They are all set. They have the sprinkles on top. So what you're going to do now is into your preheated oven. You're going to stick them in there for about 5 to 8 minutes. They vary, so just kind of keep an eye on them around the 6-minute mark. See what they look like. You want them to be golden brown and beautiful. And then you can enjoy them. Just let them cool for a little bit. They are pretty hot. But I hope you guys love this. It's something you can do with the kiddos. I know right now everyone's struggling with how to make time go by. So I hope you guys try these out. They're delicious. You're going to love them. The little ones are going to love them. And you're using what you have at home. So the recipe I'm going to put on the Lazy Girls Kitchen so you can go check that out. But it's really super easy. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.